So we completely destroyed our car.
It's fucking loud. Smells very bad.
Hello. Hello. Today we continue to destroy our E30. We are going to remove rear balance, but before that, there is something special happened to our channel. Finally, we reached that milestone, 1,000 subscribers, and we have something special for that. It's been a while, but we still have that content that we filmed before for 1,000 subscribers special. So before starting with ours, hit that subscribe button and take a look. Now you saw how Dream E30 can look like and what we are trying to achieve with this one. But before getting to that point, we have to do lots of work. We have to remove all kinds of damaged parts. Why we are removing the whole rear end valance? And because we already saw some corrosion over here, and it's over here. It's completely bent. So there's no point of removing tiny bits. Rather than that, we are going to remove complete rear valance, and yeah, we are going to replace it. Also, it's gonna be easier for us to reach this bottom piece that requires work. Here you can see that it was hit at some point. Everything needs to be changed and fixed and repaired, so we are going to do that. After that, if we still have time today, we are going to remove this top part, but we will see, yeah?
Yeah, we will see with the time if we will be able to success.
Look at him, he is not even standing.
No beer, no working today.
Beer not working? No beer for beer, so beer not running.
Not running. No energy.
We need some beer for beer to start you, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Hell yeah!
So we will see, we don't know yet. We will see how we're gonna proceed with rear end, how long that's gonna take, because we need to drill off the spot welds. We will have to cut off over here. So yeah, there are multiple places to cut, to drill. I think enough of talks. Rokas, let's go to work.
Let's go.
Let's go. Look at that lazy face today. Where's my gloves?
I don't know.
You took only gloves for you, so I'm not working today?
No, you're gonna work.
You can start.
Let's begin the process. Need some tools.
Having fun?
Yeah, fine. I'm gonna take the bed.
Lazy beer, we are going to work today or you are going to sleep today?
I'm going to take a nap.
Great success. I'll make him happier. How it was?
Good.
You like it?
I love it.
Should I repeat or should I wait when you finish?
You can continue.
Okay.
It's fucking loud.
We bought a new tool, so it's much faster to mark the centers of the spot welds. Yeah?
Yeah, and very loud.
Bet you love it.
I love it.
Rock is going to remove the shock absorbers of the bumper because there are some spot welds behind them here. We are going to cut it. We want to finish up to remove the metal before media blasting, so we can remove everything right now. We can bring the car for the blasting to clean up everything required, and then we can continue. So yeah. So we marked the centers. Rokas did some work. You forgot your pants and your bed. Get your stuff to your room.
See you tomorrow.
So yeah, the centers marked of the spot welds. We're gonna drill them out right now. Also, we're gonna cut off these parts. So I don't know, you want to drill or you want to cut?
I can drill.
You can drill?
I can drill.
No, okay.
You missed some spots?
Impossible. I'm too good to miss something. The chief security officer doing his work. Right now he's on the leash because of his injury. He's growing too fast and running around too much. That's why his muscles hurt. So he has to stay a little bit calmer right now. Yeah, Rokas?
Yep.
It would be great for you also to stay calm a little bit, stay away from your addictions and etc.
Never ever.
problems.
Come on. Smells very bad.
Smoking kills. Yeah, Rokas.
Probably.
Don't smoke. We have no metal left over here. Look.
Doesn't look like a metal.
Someone repaired it. Really good. Quality repairs. No metal, no problem. Look. Hello.
Aha, nu taip, gerai. Tai šitą aš neužilgo baigsiu, tai tu pagriebk, kokius 4, ne, gal 6 alaus ir atlėksiu aš iki tavęs, okei? Sutarta. Susimatysim, neužilgo. Iki.
4 or 6 beers again?
6-pack, only 6-pack. Always take a 6-pack.
You said that you're gonna finish in 5 minutes?
Approximately 5 minutes, no more.
I guess we should continue because someone have to finish in 5 minutes.
Beer is not waiting. Let's finish this and I need to go.
So we completely destroyed our car. Yeah, Rokas?
Absolutely right.
No, I'm just kidding. As you can see, it was necessary to remove it because here you can see rust. So yeah, we're gonna need to fix everything. I can see rust over there. Also, here was some kind of repair before. So yeah, it's a huge mess and it's really important to make everything right. Also, the kit, like the rear valance, comes just to this part, but I had to remove this one because it has rust beneath also, so we will have to figure out something. Maybe we will buy a corner from our car that has this part not rusted. As you can see, over here is another story. Here's the same, here's also, maybe I was too fast to cut it, but I saw the rust and I thought that we will have to remove it. Here's why, as you can see, we're using this hole to hold some pipes, but definitely we're gonna need to fix it because it rusted out. Someone did a really awful job repairing this car and we will have to fix it properly. It's really sad when you see how people repairing stuff and we're just messing with cars, you know? It's no point of doing such things. Now we will be able to remove everything rusted here. I believe we're gonna replace almost whole bottom of that part. We will see how other side goes, but there are some rust and some holes also, so yeah, we will have to replace that part also. So yeah, lots of replacements and lots of rust holes in the back, but if we started something, we're gonna finish it.
Absolutely right.
Absolutely. Also, guys, let us know in the comments if you had any kind of project car or your own car and you found awesome repairs, you know. So let us know how you managed it. You left it as it is or you fixed it the right way. So yeah, please share your stories. And for us, I think it's enough for today.
It's enough.
As you can see, rear end is removed. We still need to clean up this mess, and we need to clean up the floor and everything else. So yeah, we still have things to do. We wanted to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot. We just started to build up this channel, and it's growing really good. Are you happy, Rokas?
Very happy.
We are really happy, and we want to call for subscribe buttons for more subscribers. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. Don't forget to press like, push notification button, write comments.
And comments.
Yeah, it's really interesting to hear the ideas of yours. For example, when you are saying that, hey, maybe you should wear a mask, not only glasses. Today we've been wearing a mask, yeah?
What mask? My beard is for the mask.
His beard and his nose here works
Always
as a mask.
protected.
Yeah, always protected. So don't forget to comment. That way we feel that we are connected with you guys, so we can share the thoughts and all kind of ideas. So thank you again for joining us, and see you next time.
Bye-bye.